Look at Tesla released both North America Europe map today. The latest North America map update number is NA 2024-2015137, which is now rolling out to Tesla owner. A new Europe map update number is EU 2024.32-15126 has been detected, and it will soon roll out widely to Tesla owner. Maps are downloaded in the same way as a normal car update via Wi-Fi. They usually take up around 8 GB, so be careful if you do it from your mobile. What varies is the installation process. Basically, as soon as you finish downloading it, they are already active. And one user asks latest question: when a map update comes in, is there anything that you need to do? Does it just automatically override the old map? Does it do it while you are driving but there is no time for it to install? I was just wondering how that process works. It is different than a software update. So the answer is nothing to do. The update will download and install once connected to Wi-Fi.
You know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me. This ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you